I'm sorry. I will avenge you, Jose. Yeah, I see him with the rock. I see both of them. Alright, Jose. I will avenge you. Kamikaze style. No, Jose. I got you, Jose. I am coming, Jose. I'm gonna do this, Jose. There's no choice, Jose. I got this. I will avenge you. I will avenge you, Jose. Alright, Jose. I will avenge you, Jose! I will avenge you, Jose! He's not gonna see me. Yes, I do. But I'm gonna get the shotgun, man. I'm gonna get him. Watch this shit. What's up, motherfucker? I can't fucking work. Oh my god. That was fucking amazing, man. Oh my god. I dropped a bunch of my medical supplies. I dropped everything because I thought I was dying. Oh my god, that was so funny, man. Oh my god. I avenged you, man. I got behind him and just took. The last thing I heard was, "What's up, motherfucker?" Oh, I see him. Oh, damn it, headshot. Damn it. The headshot got me. You guys so lucky. Oh my god, last thing you heard was, "What's up, motherfucker?" I wish I was recording that. Oh my god. That was too good. Oh my god. He died.